Hi everybody, Donna here from the Country Education Foundation with some really important, potentially life-changing questions. Are you aged 16 to 25? Are you looking to take up university or TAFE study, a traineeship or apprenticeship, or some other form of private college or tertiary education next year? Are you concerned that the financial burden may be too much and you might need some assistance? Then allow me to invite you to get online and apply for this year's student grants. Your local foundation is a member of the Country Education Foundation of Australia and supports students with grants between $500 and $5,000. For more information on both the Country Education Foundation and the application process, visit cef.org.au, the website which you can see on the screen in front of you. To find your local foundation, go to You Can Help, Our Foundations, and you will see a list of all the foundations across Australia. Scroll down the page and click on your relevant area, for example, Namoy, to find specific information related to your local committee, including scholarships that are only available in your area. To be eligible for a CEF grant, you must have gone to school or live in the catchment area. In the Students CEF Extra section of the website, you'll find information on other scholarships for which you may be considered or nominated in addition to receiving a CEF grant. For example, the Audi Foundation offer a number of scholarships worth $5,000 for students undertaking study in a STEM-related field. No need to apply separately. Your application to your local foundation is all that's required. If you've been accepted to Macquarie University and are staying at Dunmore Lang, then your local foundation could nominate you to receive the Dunmore Lang CEF scholarship, worth 1/3 of your accommodation expenses. Remember, to be eligible for accommodation scholarships, you need to have applied and been accepted to the college as well as applying through the Country Education Foundation. So how do you apply? Head to Apply Now, Student Registration, and create a profile. Make sure you check out Tips for Students so you have all the information you need to complete your application. If you get stuck, you can save your application and continue it at a later time. Just remember to get it in before closing time. One key thing I need to mention, all grants are distributed via reimbursement for educational expenses. This means that your funding is held by your local foundation and reimbursed upon presentation of receipts. This process can vary slightly between committees, so make sure you confirm with your local foundation if or when you receive an interview. Our past students have said it's not just the financial stress that's been released, it's having the confidence that their community is invested in their future education. So what are you waiting for? Start your application now and make your educational dreams that little bit more within reach. See you soon.